Hello friends, I am Dr. Kalyan Kadam from Nagnath Arts, Commerce and Science College, Aunda Nagnath. At first, I congratulate all of you for the great success at Standard 12. I congratulate you on the behalf of my institution, on the behalf of my educational trust, and on the behalf of my principal. Friends, you might have studied in different junior colleges located at different levels. You might have selected subjects of your own choice. But friends, now you will be the student of a degree college. Generally, degree colleges opens in the month of June. But as we know, due to COVID-19, due to this pandemic, the entire cycle of higher education is disturbed nowadays. But let us hope that everything will be okay very soon. Colleges will be unlocked, colleges will be opened, and you will have to go there for admission in first year, either in BA, BCom or BSc, depends of your own choice. I am here to communicate with you certain important things which are important for your admission. My experience tells me that many students they select wrong subjects or subjects of which were not of their own interest, and later on they regret for it. So before admission, take in account some important things. Generally, a student comes to college for admission in the company of his friend. Few students comes in the company of their parents. And at the beginning, all of them they seemed puzzled as far as selection of core electives is concerned. My advice for you is that just consider few things before the selection of the subjects, because you have to bear with these subjects for 3 years. It is not the matter of few months or a year, because period of a degree is 3 years. So take in account few things which are very important. The first one is, you can see the slide. The first thing is interest. Ask yourself in which subjects you are interested in. Someone may interested in Marathi language. Someone may like to read and go through Hindi language. Someone may like English language. So ask yourself first, which are the subjects you are interested in. This interest also depends upon your experience, and most important, your future plan. For what purpose you are admitting yourself for this study, that is important. If you wish to be an officer through either state or central competitive exams, your choice could be different. Or if you wish to be a learned person, maybe a lawyer, maybe a teacher. Your choice will be different. So future plan is very important, and selection of the subject should be as per your future plan. Another important thing is your performance in previous exam. At 12 standards, just evaluate your performance. In what subjects you have scored more than merit list, or more than first class, or you have scored marks of merit. Just evaluate. Then the third thing is your own decision. When students comes for admission, they rely on their friends, or for many a times they select subjects of their friends' choice, and a very simple perception is there that both of them they wish to attend same classes at same time. But this is not true. Actually, you have to select the subjects of your own choice. Friends, this is the age of cutthroat competition. You have to compete at each and every level. Hence, keep in mind value of that subject. Our Prime Minister now and then stress on Startup India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. His declarations tells us that there will be a lot of opportunities for youth in upcoming years. So, your own decision and value of that subject is very much important. As far as our Nagnath Arts, Commerce and Science College is concerned, it is a rural college, but we have great heritage of success also. As far as faculty of BA, that is Bachelor of Arts, is concerned, our college offer few subjects or few choices. You can see the slide number second. There you can see at first year a student have to select one language out of three. As I told you earlier, that there will be three core electives, and we offer three languages: Marathi, Hindi and English. A student have to select one of them. Then there are three groups of social sciences. First group is economics and political science. Second one is history and public administration. Whereas third group is of sociology and physical education. Students have to opt one out of three. In this way, three core electives will be selected. For example, a student selected English as an optional language along with group first, that is economics and political science. These are three electives he selected. Along with these three core electives, English communication, you can see slide third, or you see English communication is a compulsory subject. Again, we offer choice in second language, Marathi or Hindi. So three core electives: English communication as an compulsory subject, along with a second language, that is Marathi or Hindi, as per your own wish. Let us talk something about the pattern you have to study. Our college is affiliated to Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, and we follow the pattern, that is choice based credit system, and the system is semester system. That means no annual exam is there. A student have to face two exams in a year: semester first, semester second. In choice based credit system, 40 marks are given for a written theory exam. However, 30 marks are for continuous assessment. Try to understand this continuous assessment process. 35 marks are there for some subjects: assignments, unit tests, interviews, presentations. These are the things you have to complete under the guidance of your eminent teacher. So, activities can be vary subject to subject. Friends, I would like to advise you, once you admit yourself for a degree, sincerity is the best policy. Be sincere with your study. Attend colleges regularly. Attend the periods regularly. Discuss with your teachers. There are a lot of opportunities which most of the students they don't know yet. So be dynamic, be positive, and attend your classes. Thank you.